Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix NBA Live mobile crashing. So if you guys want to learn how to fix it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is make sure that you close NBA Live application. If you have it open, just close it from here, and then once you close it, go to settings on your phone. So this is how the settings looks like. It might be different depending on which phone you have. In Android phones it will look like this. So once you're here in the settings, scroll down until you find applications or apps, and once you find this, go ahead and click on it, and then right here you're gonna find all of the installed applications on your phone. So just scroll down and search for NBA Live mobile application. It's gonna be right here. And as you can see guys, I found it. So once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And right here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to NBA Live mobile. So right here, you're gonna find notifications. I'm allowing notifications, the permissions. So the only permission that I allowed is notifications. There is also set as default. If you want to open supported links, you can enable it. And right here under it, you're gonna find mobile data, battery, and use storage. Click on storage, and here in the bottom, you're gonna find two options: clear data and also clear cache. So go ahead and click on clear cache, and then go back, and your cache will be cleared. Once you clear the cache, just go back to the application and start it again, and your problem is going to be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.